What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing this Brutal 60 from CannonKeys. Let's take a quick look over at the product page. And this board is $215. It's available in black, gray, navy, or green. I went with green. It's got 3 different layouts you can choose from. You can get your WIN keyless, your WIN key, WIN keyless, or your HHKB. I went with the WIN key because 60% doesn't have a lot of keys already. Let me go ahead and get all of them I can. I did not realize when I purchased this, it doesn't come with a PCB. So be mindful of that if you decide to order one. And they have no return policy, so I'm kind of stuck with this. I guess I'll have to order a PCB. I guess it's Boston City Hall inspired 60% board, whatever that means. I guess they were inspired when they were in Boston. It's an aluminum top and bottom, FR4 plate, burger mount, 7.5 degree angle, 20 millimeters in the front, 34 millimeters in the back. It says polyfill will be provided to fill in the space and help tune the sound. Weighs 1 kilogram without plate, PCB, and switches, and there's a foam carrying case. So let's open this thing up. And this carrying case is actually pretty nice. It's you know, kind of like the material that you're used to getting nowadays. It's soft carrying case, but durable enough that you drop it, it's gonna hold up. Let's see, looks like we got a nice little microfiber cloth wrapped around the actual case itself here. Oh yeah, it's a nice little cloth. It's got the CannonKeys logo on it there. So looks like there is a little bit of a mark here on the inside, but you know, you're not going to see that once you put it all together. As far as on the outside, it's got this weird little ridge on it, which I guess not a deal breaker. It doesn't appear to be a terrible case. So you got 4 Allen keys there, or Allen screws that you'll have to take out to put it together. It is a burger mount. I have to find a PCB for this thing. It's got the CannonKeys logo inside. Just seems to be a pretty standard case. I do like the color. The anodization seems to match up really nicely between the two. I know that ridge kind of might throw it off there, but yeah, it is a really close color match. Honestly, dead on. It's not like a lot of other boards, especially in this price point, where you get it and it just doesn't quite match up right. I'm guessing this is the polyfill that they're talking about. Just some bunch of cotton in there, it looks like, or I guess it's polyester. FR4 plate, it's white. White plate, not bad. I would have preferred black, but I guess a white plate would be fine. Looks like we got a CannonKeys sticker here, some O-rings, screws, and rubber bump-ons, and an Allen key. So not a whole lot there special. Just the stuff you need to put the board together. It's got a nice feel to it. It's aluminum. It's a heavy board. One thing I noticed when I picked the package up, it was a lot heavier than I expected. I was like, wait, is there more in here that I don't remember ordering? But yeah, so the Brutal 60, I'm gonna have to find a PCB before I build it. So I don't know when I will be building it. I might just see if I can find somebody to take it off my hands. I might contact them, see if I can do a return. But you know, it's my own fault. I bought it without reading the review, reading the description. So that's on me. But hey guys, thanks for hanging out. That's gonna be it for today. I hope to see you again real soon. I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you later.